they're asking questions. They're also demanding, they're clapping at us and they're waving and they're saying, send more bananas. And so they loaded up another boat and they pushed another boat out. And this time they gave them some rope. They all had rope tied around their waists, penises tied up. But they love rope. And some of them were wearing rope that they had made, which is brown or reddish. And then some of them were wearing rope that they had clearly pillaged from logging camps or the communities because it was modern nylon paracord. And they had this wound around their waists like a thick belt. And they took the second boat and they had some rope and they had some plantains on there.
So some of these guys might have been the ones that murdered the loggers.
Could be.
From a couple of months before that.
Absolutely could be. But what Rommel said as he was talking to them, he turned to us and he said, this group, he said, the other groups call me the grandfather. He said, this group, he said, I don't know any of these. He said, this is first contact. He said, this is the first time this group is talking to us. And you saw people from maybe 12 years old to what looks like 40 something, like a banged up 40.
Mm-hmm.
And no really old people and no women.